If you've got anything on your main storyline, your timeline, go ahead and get rid of it. Command-A, delete. Let's come up and drag this guy down here. Select once, then drag. Or press the letter E. I suppose that is easier. Let's come up to our tool right here and go to Blade. And say we're going to cut it right here. Now that creates what's called a through edit. It's that dotted line. The dotted line means that both sides of that cut clip originally were one. Let's do it again. Let's get right about here and click again. So we've got two cuts. I'm going to move my playhead over to right there. Let's snap right there. Let me go ahead and pick up my select tool. We're going to need that in a minute. Let's go all the way here. Let's go up to Word Edit and go down to Insert Generator Gap. Now you know, I know, the whole world knows that Final Cut Pro has undos. But let's say we're working through this and it's a couple of days later. The reason you wanted that gap is no longer valid, and you want to put this clip back together. Now I have actually had students that didn't know the simple trick who have actually deleted that clip down there and brought down a new one from the browser. You don't really have to do that. Let's start by getting rid of this. Oh, we don't need that anymore. Press delete. Everything goes back together again, but we still have these cuts right here based on the Blade tool. How do we get rid of them? Well, it's very easy, actually. You don't need your playhead either. Come to the gap right here and click. Now, you're either going to see a yellow line facing to the left or to the right. It doesn't matter. Press the delete key. It's gone. Do the same thing on this one. It's gone. Using the Blade tool is nice to create cuts. If later on in life you decide you don't want it anymore, just go ahead and delete it.